Okay, so I'm just gonna review this DirecTV remote. So I think I don't have DirecTV anymore. I'm just gonna make this video about this remote. So those are the number buttons. This could be the button, the dash button, of course. There's the enter or the input button, of course, as well as these buttons, like for recordings and all other stuff. Mute, and there's a volume, of course. A channel up and down buttons or switches. There's the previous button where you can go to the last channel you've watched. The record button where you could record your favorite show or a movie. This could be the, not sure what this button is. This could be the left and the back button, the right button. This could be up, down, of course, and select. Guide, menu, and list, and on and off buttons, of course. Okay, so this on the back, it says like, it's RF, of course. Yep, it's made in China. Those are where you put the batteries. It's where you put the batteries in. Okay, so that's the remote I just showed you, of course.